Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are all doing awesome. So today's video is a collaboration with Myfirstwig. I absolutely love working with this company, and today I'm going to be reviewing a very special wig, and it's the 𝐍𝐿𝐴 hairline wig. Okay, if you're not new to installing wigs, then you know that this 𝐍𝐿𝐴 hairline has been super trendy. Now I'm Nigerian, I lived in Lagos most of my life, so I understand how a 𝐍𝐿𝐴 hairline is supposed to look like. So I was really curious to see how this company would execute it. So in terms of construction, it comes with combs, elastic band, and a drawstring for extra security. And it does have a widow's peak and like a really low hairline. So this wig is great if you have a low hairline. It's a 13x6 lace front wig, and it comes pre-plucked, pre-bleached, and the lace already pre-cut, which is optional. If you don't want them to cut the lace, then you can definitely cut it yourself. If you're going to install this unit yourself, then I highly recommend you choose the option to have it pre-cut. But if you are going to go to a professional, then just let them do the job. Okay, first of all, I want to say that the plucking on this unit is chef's kiss. It is so stunning and it looks super natural. Now, because the hairline is pretty low and it's not like a straight cut, you have to take your time when you're installing this. You literally have to install it in sections, which was, I would say, the only quote-unquote difficult thing to do. It wasn't really that hard. It just took me a longer time to install. The lace is HD and the hair is of course 100% human hair. I got this in a loose wave texture, and I believe the density is 180 if I'm not mistaken. It's also in the length 20 inches. I honestly never thought that they would make a 𝐍𝐿𝐴 hairline wig, but whoever thought about this needs a raise, because this unit looks absolutely stunning. It looks super duper natural. Like, I'm honestly impressed. Some people may not like the widow's peak because it's not super obvious, but you can definitely like fix it if you don't like it. I just absolutely love the low hairline, because as someone who doesn't really have edges, this just makes me feel like I have edges. It makes me know what I would look like with edges. So yeah, aside the installation, which takes a little while, everything else is just basically easy. I used my hot comb and flyaway tamer to just shape the hair. I like to push my hair back first before I define the parting, because I just find that it makes the lace, makes the hairline look cleaner, if that makes sense. This hair didn't shed, it didn't have any funny smell, and it was super duper soft to the touch. It did come pre-curled as well, so you can definitely just wear it straight out of the box, but I like to be extra and add extra curls, so I did go in with some with my curling iron. But first you're gonna add some layers, because I just feel like if you're gonna curl your hair, or if you have body wave or loose wave hair, it just makes sense to have layers so that it can frame your face really nicely. I'm not the best at layering, but I did something and it worked. So yeah, just do whatever works for you. I recommend starting off like lower than you want to cut the hair, just in case you make any mistakes, you can just easily like fix it. I always rave on about this rotating iron. I absolutely love it. Like, if you don't know how to curl your hair, this is the rod for you. It literally does everything. I get the perfect curls all the time. I don't burn myself, so I have it linked in the description box, and it's super duper easy. Like, in 30 minutes you're done with your entire head of hair. So highly recommend it. So when I'm done curling, I'm going to use a holding spray to just make sure the curls last. Because it is silky hair, the curls definitely last longer than a kinky straight texture, for example. So now the big reveal, and honestly I was so gassed. I was like, oh my gosh, this looks absolutely stunning. But I did go in to fix the parting and also the lace area, because it was just a little tiny bit white-ish, ashy. So I went in with my contour powder to to conceal the lace. But looking back, I'll probably cut off the excess lace, because I like to cut my lace super close to the hairline. I don't really like extra lace showing. So if you're like me, then I recommend maybe getting the version of this unit with the lace uncut, so you can cut it however you want. But yeah, that's just a preference thing. Guys, look how stunning the curls are. Oh my goodness, Myfirstwig, you guys ate down with this unit, because this hairline is it's honestly so believable. Like, I received so many compliments when I wore this wig, and I feel like it just transformed my face. Like, now I understand the hype of the 𝐍𝐿𝐴 hairline, because I've never gotten a 𝐍𝐿𝐴 hairline install. I've seen people do it, but there's just something about it. It's guys, oh my goodness, looking at this video is getting me so excited. But yeah, I highly recommend getting this unit from Myfirstwigs if you want that Lagos hairline, but you can't fly all the way down to Lagos. This is the closest thing you would get, because I feel like stylists are probably going to charge you an arm and a leg to get this style, as opposed to having it in a wig version where you can always pick it up, put it in your head, and go to your event. Okay, thank you guys so much for watching. Please don't forget to check the description box for every single detail. I'll talk to you guys later. God bless. Bye.